So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your DoorDash tracking. Now in order to do that, you need to know first and foremost that you don't have a direct share tracking link button for customers inside the active order screen. Instead, you can share tracking updates by forwarding the live status SMS text messages sent to your phone by DoorDash or by manually taking screenshots of the live map. So for tracking and sharing options, so for DoorDash tracking, if you are a customer, you can open up your text messages to find the automated text SMS update sent by DoorDash when your order is out for delivery. So you may get some updates where the dasher is. You can forward that text message or tracking link directly to your friend or family member that may be waiting for that order to arrive. Alternatively, you can always check on a live in-app map and send it through text or some other way of communication to that person that's waiting the order to arrive. Now through Dashers, or rather for Dashers, you can go to your account within the Dasher app and then go to your settings and click on Save Dash Location Sharing and turn on location sharing to add trusted contacts. So maybe someone that you quite regularly do deliveries for, and they may want to see where you are at that moment. You can share your tracking with them so they know where you are. So just make sure to add those contacts so it's not automatic that all people can see that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.